So in this video we are going to discuss that how we can put our code on Git basically. So for example, I want to share the code with someone so that he can also work on the code. So how I can upload the code to the Git. Now in the previous tutorial I have seen that I have told that how to create a repository on Git. So this repository is created. The repository name is Terra Azure, and these are the some sample commands which are there they have given. I have just copied the command here. Okay, now I will show you how we can upload my code to Git. So as I told in the previous video, so this is showing your uh, Git menu basically. Right now my repository is not initiated, so to initiate repository I can click here, or there is one command as well, and that command is called git init. When you run this command, the repository is initiated. Now here it is showing that this is untracked. Okay, now what is the meaning of untracked? That it is not committed, or you can say it is not saved. So this is untracked, and if you go on this plus sign, so when you click here it will stage the change. Now what is the meaning of stage the change? That your file will be in the stage of commit. You haven't committed it, it is in the stage of commit. Now what is the meaning of that? For example, you want to go somewhere, now you're sleeping and now you're not prepared, it means you are untracked. Okay, but when we will stage the changes, it means you have put on your clothes and everything. Okay, and now you are ready to go. Now what is the meaning of commit? Commit means you have left from the home towards the office or somewhere else you want to go. So now there's one option, we can simply check here and we can commit all. Okay, so this all will be committed, or you can commit manually as well. For example, there's one file that is called main.tf. Okay, now I will show you. For example, you want to first of all run a command that is called git status. So I ran the command git status. So what it is showing, that these are all untracked file. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, when I will upload this file to Git, then this folder basically, it has a file that is called Terraform provider Azure RM. So this is a large file and exe, this will not be accepted by Git. So what I will do, I will just right click it, and what I will do here, there's an option that is called add to git ignore. As soon as I will do add to git ignore, as you can see there is one file created, and that file is git ignore. So this file is called git ignore. If you go to this file git ignore, then you will be able to see here that this Terraform exe file is in git ignore, so it will not be uploaded to Git. If you try to upload it to Git, then it will show you error. So what I suggest, basically, uh, put this kind of large file in git ignore. Now what we are gonna do, uh, let us do one thing one by one. There's one file that is called main.tf. If I click on this file, so this is my main.tf. So let us do one thing. Let us first of all add it to staging area. Now what is the mean of staging area? I have already tell you. For that there is an option, and that option is called git add. Then file name, my file name is main.tf, and afterwards, now if I hit this command, then this file has gone into a staging area. Now if you want to see, simply you can click on this git status, then it will show that this file is in a staging area and now it is ready to be committed. Let us refresh it. So as you can see, it is showing A. Okay, it means index added. Now this file is ready to be committed, it means ready to be saved. So now I will run a command. That command is called git commit. Git commit, and afterwards file name main.tf, and Also now here we need to give one message. So message I am giving m, and the message is first commit. So as you can see, one file change, and if I refresh it, now that file has been gone in commit. Now how we can say that is in commit? There is one command, and that command is git log. If I hit on git log, then it will say, okay, your one file is committed. Okay, so this will give you a message, and the message is first commit. Now for example, if I want to commit all these files, there's one more option, then in which you can simply commit it without putting it into a, you can say, staging area. You have to simply click on this checkbox. So when you click on this checkbox, all file will be committed. So let us click here. What is saying, these are not staged. Do you want to commit all? Okay, let's, yes, commit all. So we need to wait for some time. Okay, it is asking me for the message. Basically what I will give, second commit. I have given a message second commit, hit enter. So as you can see, now we are in the master branch. Okay, and my all changes are basically committed. So if you run git log, you will be able to see the second commit, and there is a hash of this commit as well. If I scroll up a little, yeah, here is the hash of the commit. Now I want to upload. Committed means it is all saved. Now it is ready to be moved uh, on the git, basically GitHub. So we can run commands from here as well. Here you can see the option pull, push, clone. So a lot more option there. Now let us use some CLI option, which is already given on the example. So this we have already known. Now I want to add. First of all, you have to define the remote location where you want to upload the file on GitHub. So here is the command. Let us copy it. After doing copy, then we have to get the URL from here. So I have copied the URL. Just paste the URL here. Hit enter. Now we run the second command, and that second command is git push origin main. So when we will push this command, then all the data will be replicated to my GitHub repository. Okay, I have run this command. It has given me this error, failed to push some refs. So this command is there. Let us try to push from here. So what it is saying, the master branch has no remote branch. Would you like to publish this branch? So what is the meaning of this? Actually, we missed one command here. We need to create a branch in our master branch actually. Okay, so let us create a branch. Now what are the branches? I will tell you in my next upcoming tutorial, because I'm going to create a separate tutorial for git. Then we will push the same command again, git push -u origin main. So as soon as I will do this, and you can see, and you can go here and just click here and refresh the window. As you can see, now my all data is here. So if you want to use same thing in your same kind of code if in your environment as well, you can go here, code, and you can download the zip and you can use it. Or there is one more command which I will tell you in my another tutorial, and that you can do one thing. You can create a clone of it. If you go here, right click, and there will be option of clone. So you can use this command, and you can use this lab for yourself as well. I'm going to put this URL in my tutorial as well, so that you can also use the same code for your own learning purpose. Thank you. We will meet on the next video.